my best friends. So
Thank goodness.
Figure out that.
Say hi.
Hi.
Cooper, sit. Cooper,
Coopers,
sit.
Coopers.
Cooper,
Cooper.
sit. Cooper, sit.
Oh,
Good
this
boy.
is nice, Cooper.
Good boy.
Oh, this is good.
Yes. Yeah, except this is
What
not
kind
good.
of dog he is?
He's a Newfoundland.
Oh,
Newfoundland.
A Newfie.
Oh,
Yes.
oh,
that's
gee.
so funny.
He weighs 110 pounds,
Wow.
and
Good
he's
size.
9 years old.
9 years old.
Yes.
Oh,
Because they're so big, they don't live too awfully long.
Okay.
So
yeah.
he's an old man now,
Right, I agree.
but he is a great dog. He's a gentle giant.
Oh, go on.
He wishes he could run with you, but now he's too old. Say have a nice day.
Okay. See
I hope you
you.
guys have a great afternoon.
Yes,
Finally
we will.
beautiful.
Yes.